In this video, we will be looking at the TENSYS Trauma Response System, also known as the Mass Casualty System. TENSYS is the Platinum 10 system, PT being the chemical symbol for platinum, and 10 minutes being the optimum time to stop a catastrophic bleed. It has several smaller bags magnetically attached to be able to deal with mass casualty incidents. The Mass Casualty Bag contains a range of life-saving equipment to address immediate life threats, such as a massive hemorrhage, airway respiratory compromise, hypothermia, and other injuries. Equipment in this bag includes nitrile medical gloves, decompression needles, tourniquets, shears, airway adjuncts, vented chest seals, splints, sharps container, bandages or dressings, a heated blanket, and an emergency stretcher. The dual-sided MCI system contains the same equipment on both sides, providing additional life-saving resources where they are needed most. Additional accessory bags, attached through magnetic grips on either side of the MCI bag, are available to further enhance the MCI system. These accessory bag options include burn bag, bleeding control bag, and airway bag. Each bag has the ability to be removed, which gives you the option to have multiple people working from the same mass casualty system at once.